Hi everyone. This is Jillian. In this video, I'll show you how to use Microsoft PowerPoint, step by step. Whether you're a student, a teacher, or just someone creating a quick presentation, this beginner's tutorial will help you get started. Let's go. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint. You can find it by typing PowerPoint in the Start menu or clicking on the icon if you're on your phone or tablet. Click on Blank Presentation to start fresh, or choose a design template if you want something pre-styled. I'll start with choosing a free template to show how everything works. Each page you see is called a slide. The first slide is usually the title slide. Click where it says Click to add title and type your title. Do the same for the subtitle. To add more slides, go to the top menu and click New Slide. You can choose different layouts like title and content or picture with caption. To insert a photo, go to Insert Pictures. You can choose from your device or online. You can also insert shapes, charts, or icons from this tab. To make your presentation look good, click on the Design tab. You'll see a list of themes. Click on any theme to apply it to all your slides. You can also customize background colors, fonts, and transitions. Let's add a little motion. Click on the Transitions tab to apply effects between slides. For example, try Push, Split, or Reveal. To view your slideshow, click Slideshow from Beginning. This will show your presentation full screen. You can press the spacebar or swipe to move to the next slide. Click File Save As to save your file. Choose where you want to save it, name your file, and click Save. And that's it. You just made your first PowerPoint presentation. Thanks for watching. This is Caitlin Jillian and I'll see you next time.